Good morning, little friends. The warm sun was peeking through the window as Mimi the fox and Coco the rabbit woke up. Today was going to be a very special day. Mimi the fox stretched up high and gave a big happy smile. Coco the rabbit hopped out of bed, ready for a brand new adventure together. The two best friends stepped outside into the bright, colorful morning. The birds were singing, and even the flowers seemed to be smiling. They played and giggled and ran across the soft green grass. Being together always made them feel so very happy. I have an idea, said Mimi the fox. Let's make today the best day ever. Coco the rabbit clapped and cheered, yes, let's do it. Just then, they noticed something new and interesting up ahead. They tiptoed a little closer to take a better look. But oh no! There was a little problem, and it was all about cleaning up together. Something did not feel quite right. Mimi the fox felt a little confused and unsure. What should we do now? Mimi the fox wondered quietly. Coco the rabbit saw that Mimi the fox was worried and came right over. Don't worry, we are a team, said Coco the rabbit kindly. Together they sat down and talked about the problem. Talking things through always helps when something feels tricky. Let's try our very first idea, said Mimi the fox. So they gave it a great big try, working side by side. But the first idea did not quite work. The problem was still there, and that felt a little bit disappointing. Mimi the fox and Coco the rabbit sat down for a moment to rest. It's okay, said Coco the rabbit. We can always try again. They took a deep breath in, and a slow breath out. Feeling calm helped them think much more clearly. Suddenly, Mimi the fox had a wonderful idea. I know! What if we remember that cleaning up together? Mimi the fox explained the clever plan step by step. Coco the rabbit's eyes grew wide. That's brilliant! Let's try it together! So the two friends began to work on their brand new plan. They helped each other every single step of the way. Little by little, things started to get better. Look, it's working, cheered Coco the rabbit with a big smile. Then a small bump got in the way. But this time, Mimi the fox and Coco the rabbit did not feel scared at all. We can do this, just keep going, they cheered. Helping and encouraging each other made them feel so strong. last, they did it. The problem was solved, and everything felt wonderful again. Mimi the fox and Coco the rabbit jumped up and down with joy. They gave each other the biggest, happiest hug. We learned something important today, said Mimi the fox. Let's always remember that cleaning up together. As the sun began to set, the two friends waved goodbye. And that is how cleaning up together ends. See you next time, little friends.